shall we?
The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Marshall County in northeastern Alabama until 3:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:23 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Holly Pond or near Blounsville, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Arab around 2:35 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Albertville around 2:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Guntersville around 2:50 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Rabbit Townsend, Mountain View, Columbus City, Lake Guntersville, St. Park, Hebron, Eddy, High Point, Douglas, Union Grove, and Horton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Marshall, Alabama,